once again.
Oh hey guys, today we are going to unbox the newly launched smartphone by Meizu, that is Meizu X8, and this is your favorite YouTube channel Techno Holic. Unlike the Meizu X8, the Meizu X8 doesn't have an in-display fingerprint sensor. Instead, it's equipped with a traditional fingerprint scanner located on the back. Face unlock is also in tow, so there are multiple options in securing the phone. Running the Meizu X8 is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 SoC with an option between 4GB and 6GB of RAM, as well as 64GB and 128GB of onboard storage. It has a slightly bigger 6.2-inch 1080p plus 18.5:9 aspect ratio display and a high 89.6% screen-to-body ratio. Side bezels are only 1.7mm thin and the chin is a little bit bigger at 4.8mm. In terms of cameras, the Meizu X8 features a 12-megapixel primary camera that comes with dual-tone LED flash and a 5-megapixel depth-sensing sensor for portrait shots. For selfies, there's a 20-megapixel shooter. For graphical performance that can make games run smoothly, this phone has got a Adreno 616 GPU. Onboard storage is at 64GB with the option to expand the memory by no. Design is one of the most important factors when it comes to mobiles. This phone is 7.8mm slim and weighs 160 grams. Over that, as far as the rear camera is concerned, this mobile has a 12MP camera XMRS CMOS sensor supporting a resolution of 4000 by 3000 pixels, and the front snapper is powered by a XMRS CMOS sensor. Other sensors include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope. The Meizu X8 is a feature-packed device almost brushing the flagship segment with its slightly above budget price tag. It is one compact device with top-notch features for the price. From that large display with impressive aspect ratio, delivering ideal visual experience the consumer, to the cameras which take great shots and selfies. The configuration underneath also assures a snappy performance for most tasks. Overall, this is truly a value for money device that will offer you a near flagship level experience for a much lesser cost. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for future updates. Thank you once again.